So in the last class, we have seen how to define a function in Python, how we can able to call that particular function also. I explained very clearly. Next and after that, when we have multiple functions are there, that is a navigation is happening from one function to another function. So like if you have multiple functions are there, internally how the stack is going to be created and how the method calls are happening, that part also I covered very clearly by taking some example. Then so even some small note points I covered, like what is mean by function. Okay, internally inside the function what things we can able to take. Next and after that, how a function can call another function. Okay, sometimes a function can call same function also. In such a cases what will happen, and what is mean by recursion, and what is mean by this finite recursion, infinite recursion. So when we are going to get a stack overflow error, that is a recursion error. So next and after that, base condition means what? I covered one case, like based on the number of method calls, sorry, based on the number of function calls. So we have two types of recursions are there. One is a finite recursion. Second one is infinite recursion. Both I covered by taking one example program. Up to this we covered. So today in the recursion, we have another part is also there. That is case 2. What is the second case here is based on the number of functions. So we have two types of recursions are available. What is the first type here is direct recursion. What is the first type? Direct recursion. What is the second type? Indirect. Okay, you can see second one is nothing but what? Indirect recursion. Sir, what is mean by direct recursion? What is mean by indirect recursion? Let me have some examples. See, I don't want to go for any programming approach here. Normally I am taking. Sir, what is mean by direct recursion? Suppose consider I have one function is there. Inside that some set of instructions are there. And again I am calling the same function. This is example for direct recursion. What is the meaning of that? A function is calling same function. Sir, what is mean by indirect recursion? Suppose if you have a function, so inside that we have some set of statements are there. After that, we are calling one more function called fun2. And there is one more function called fun2. Inside this, we are having some instructions. Then we are calling function1. Have you observed? A function which is called by itself is called as a direct recursion. A function calling some other function, that function in turn call original function, first function. This type of recursion is called as what? Indirect recursion. I think what is mean by direct recursion, what is mean by indirect recursion, so you have a clear clarity. Do you have any queries up to this whatever I covered? Please confirm. So I request everyone to please be active and respond well. Clear up to this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. So there is one more case is there. So what is the third case that we have? Very, very important. Third case. Third case. So what is this third case is based on the place of recursive call. The place of recursive call, there are two types. There are two types of recursions are there, sir, based on the place of recursive call. How many types are there? Two types. What is the first one? Tail recursion. What is the second one? Non-tail. Non-tail recursion. Like that we have. So first one is nothing but what? Tail recursion. Second one is nothing but what? Non-tail recursion. Sir, what is mean by tail recursion? What is mean by non-tail recursion? Can you please take some code to explain? Yes, definitely. But to understand these, so we must have some program, sir. Okay, listen carefully. Anyway, definition I will give later. Assume I have a function taking some number n. So I'm printing a message saying hello followed by that number. Again, I am calling a function by passing n minus 1. So we know the base condition, right? If n is equal to 0, we are stopping. And I am calling the function by passing input as a 4. Now, listen carefully. I am going to traverse this. What is the output of this program? You should analyze well. Okay. Observe, friends. Sir, first time, what is happening here? We are calling a function by passing input as nothing but what? 4. So, parallelly, I am writing output also. Please listen. So, whenever 4 we are passing, anyway n is equal to 0 is not satisfied. There are two lines. What is the first line? It will print hello followed by the number 4. So in the output you will get the message called hello followed by 4. After that we are calling a function by passing 4 minus 1, which is nothing but 3. So two lines got executed. But again function 3, so two statements will be executed. Up to this, any questions? Yesterday also I repeated the same thing. Any questions? Navigation, how it is happening? Clear?
Yes.
Now, so what I am doing in this case, again it will print hello followed by 3. So what is the output? The output which we are going to get is hello 3. After that, we are calling a function by passing 2 as the parameter. So now what will happen? Hello 2 will be printed. So in the output, you will get a hello 2. So after that, it is calling the same function by passing 1. For 1, what will happen? Sir, it will print hello 1 on the screen. So that is hello 1 will be printed. So after that, what will happen? We are calling a function by passing 0. So whenever 0 came, what we are doing? We are stopping the process. That's all. So this is nothing but output what you will get. So in this case, now observe my point well. In the program, after recursion, sir, which is a recursive call? This one is recursive call. Recursive call. Sir, are you taking any statements after recursive call? No, sir. Then such a type of recursion is called as what? Tail recursion. Tail recursion. Okay. So that means what? Let me define. So after recursive function call, if we are not taking any instructions, so then such a type of recursion is called as tail recursion. Such a type of recursion is called as what? Tail recursion. So this is nothing but example program for this. So, sir, can I run this program and can you please show me the output? Yes, definitely. Have a look once. CD space test, py space test.py. You can see, sorry, I think it is something wrong. What is the file name that we have taken? So, demo, right? Demo.py. Sir, are you seeing? We are getting hello 4, we are getting hello 3, we are getting hello 2, we are getting hello 1. Like that it is printing. Okay. So I hope everyone clear about this terminology. Let me repeat one more time. Sir, what is mean by tail recursion? Inside a function, so I mean after recursive call, if we are not taking any method, any function, any instructions, then such a type of function, such a type of recursion is called as what? Tail recursion. Friends, do you have any queries up to this? Please confirm. So do you have any queries? Please confirm. Sir, respond everyone. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
So now we are going to discuss about the second one. What is the second one? Non-tail recursion. Sir, what is mean by non-tail recursion? After recursive function call, if we are taking any instructions, then such a type of recursion is called as what? Non-tail recursion. Or what is another name? Sir, head recursion. Head recursion. Or what is another name? It is also called as backtracking. Soon we are going to discuss about that. Sir, here assume this print statement I am taking after this. Now what will happen? Can I say it is non-tail recursion? Let me check what output you are going to get. Have you observed? Program is the same. Are you seeing in previous case it is printing in the reverse direction, but now it is printing in the forward direction. But don't worry, I will show you the diagram, then only you will get much clarity. Observe carefully, friends. So first time we are calling a function by passing 4. How many instructions are there? 2 instructions. But first instruction is a function call. So it is calling f of 3. Then again it is calling f of 2. Sir, again it is calling f of 1. Sir, again it is calling f of 0. Again it is calling f of 0. So now f of 0, it is going to stop the process. If you are clear with how backtracking is going to come, I will demonstrate. Up to this clear?
Yes,
Up to
sir.
this, if you see the stack trace also, sir, first we called f of 4. From f of 4, what is happening? We are calling f of 3. And from f of 3, what is happening? We are calling f of 2. And from f of 2, what is happening? We are calling f of 1. And from f of 1, what is happening? F of 0. So when f of 0 came, the program stopped executing. Then it will come back. Have you observed? While coming back, so f of 1 get executed. Some other instructions are there, right? This pending instruction will be executed. So here it will print that message saying hello 1. That output first it will print. That's why it is called as what? Backtracking. Completed, come back, and function 2. For function 2 also, it should print, right? What is the pending instruction? Sir, hello 2 will get printed, hello 2. And again come back. Sir, while coming back here, hello 3 should be printed. So hello 3 is going to be printed. Again, while coming back, hello 4. Sir, it is going to print hello 4. Like that, friends, remember carefully, when backtracking is happening, while coming back, it is printing the instructions. Everyone feeling comfortable up to this?
Yes.
Any doubt, friends?
So till this point, like where will the instruction set is stored? Is it like it's in the each stack block the print will be stored?
Which one, sir? Instruction, huh?
Yeah. So we have this print statement, right? So where it will be stored in backtracking, like
It won't store. See, function parameters are the matter, right? Are you getting which value? Because it is a common instruction. It will be stored in the memory only, but not in stack. In the stack, which things will be there? Function and parameter. So since after this line, if you are writing any statement, So this is a part of coding only. When it will get a chance after completing this return statement, so pending instruction, this one is there. It will execute for every method call. How many times we called? 4 times. 4 times it will execute. Sir, same instruction 4 times. What is the change here? N value. Sir, how you will get that N value? That N value you have to look over in the stack, because that function calls are there, right? That parameters and all it is going to accommodate. From that it will take and it will execute. Sir, this is very, very important, because this is nothing but I can say heart of DSA. If you take what is that backtracking, Sudoku problem, these programs and all we are going to see n queens problem, even in the trees also, even in the graphs also. Sometimes we are going to implement a problem to find the shortest path. How to find out the shortest path, sir? When you are going to particular place, so you need to capture the distance, come back to the source, and from source try to find some other path and capture the distance. If that distance is less when compared with the previously visited distance, this is nothing but the shortest path. Like that we have to fix, right? So for that and all, what will happen? Coming back is very, very important. That coming back in in DSA terminology called as backtracking. So what is the source of backtracking? Recursion only. Sir, I hope my example is making sense for you. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Sir, friends, please confirm everyone got it. If you are clear, then we will go for the some examples.
Yes, sir.
Right. So we have this program at the same time. We have output for this program also with us. Sir, that's all. What I covered here, just introduction to recursion we have seen. So next and after that, so what is mean by recursion, what is mean by stack, importance. So importance of stack in recursion also we covered. So next and after that, so we have seen recursion means what, and what are the various types of recursions, means what I can say. Finite and infinite recursion means what. So next and after that, direct and indirect recursion means what. So next and after that, so tail and non-tail recursion means what. So next and after that, even we had a discussion about base condition. What is mean by base condition? So when we have to write the base condition, how clearly we need to write base condition also we have seen. Sir, if you are clear with, I have around some 25 applications, means 25 programs are there. From a small program to a big high level program we will discuss. Can I start the programs one by one? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. So one by one, let me have a look, friends. What is the first program I'm going to take is, sir, write a Python program. Write a Python program to read a string from the user, and you need to traverse the string in reverse direction. Reverse direction means what? Suppose if the given input is something like Java, so what is my expected output? What is the reverse first character is A, then B, then A, then J. Like you need to take it in reverse. Remember, wherever you want to visit in forward or reverse direction, blindly you need to go for which concept? Recursion. I hope the main agenda of the program and how you can solve by using the recursion, you got some idea. If you are clear, then I will take the program. Clear, friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now from the user we need to read some input. input of, I'm asking enter any string. Like that, I'm giving some interface. Now I'm calling a function by passing s. Not only s, sir, length of the s also I'm passing. So in function, how many parameters you are receiving? 2 parameters. One is a string, another one is nothing but length of the string. Sir, first I will draw you the diagram, then we will go for coding. Okay, because you will get some idea, right? If you see the diagram. So I'm calling a function. Let us consider the string is nothing but ABC. So just for our convenience purpose, I am not putting in double quotations. Okay. So what is the length of the string? Sir, we have 3 characters are there. Now, so first time what we are going to do is, can you please print character present at third location? Sir, what is the character present at second location? So instead of length, let us pass length minus 1. And please make this one as nothing but what? Index. So S of 2, which character is there? 0, 1, 2. Sir, C. In the output, first C is going to be printed. Then after that, call the same function by passing ABC only. Don't change the string. But previously index is 2, right? Now take 2 minus 1, which is nothing but 1. Now what will happen? Try to print S of 1. What is that character? B. B will be printed. Then what we have to do? Sir, you have to call the function by passing ABC, comma 0. Now what will happen? S of 0. What is the character present at 0th location, sir? A. So now what will happen? Simply we are calling a function by passing negative index minus 1. Whenever minus 1 came, just we have to stop. Sir, if the diagram is clear for you, then I will write code for this. Please confirm, is the diagram is clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone please confirm, is the diagram is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Tell me what is the base condition? Anyone? Anyone tell me what is the base condition?
If n equal to -1,
Sir, if index value, see the parameters, friends.
sorry, index, yeah,
Index value is equal to
-1.
or minus 1? Minus 1. Instead of that, can I take less than 0? Then we have to stop. Otherwise, what we are doing? We are trying to print the character present at S of index. Then what will be your next function call? We are calling the function by passing the same string, but index minus 1. Got it, friends? Is the concept is clear? Correct? Please confirm.
Length of the string we are going to give when this program will run.
Length of the string?
I mean, this s equals to input enter any string. So we'll be giving that string, no? When the program will start run.
Yes. After that, it is going to find out the length, and minus 1 means what? Index, last index you are going to give as a input. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so let me run this program. So I am trying to run this program. Enter any string. Sir, I am giving this particular string as so ORANGE orange. Have you observed? Sir, is it printing the characters in reverse direction or not? Yes. We got the character present at last location, then last before, like the string is traversed in reverse direction. Sometimes in the interview, friends, they are going to ask one question. Write a Python program or Java program to reverse the string by using recursion. Some people are going to get confused. Simply, this is the program, right? Sir, I don't want to print in this particular line. I want to print in a single line. Then you know the parameters what you need to change, right? So if you change that, what will happen? It is going to print in single line. Sir, can you please show me that code? Yes, definitely. After printing, if you take end is equal to empty, now what will happen? It is going to print in the same line like that we have. I hope the explanation is very clear for you people. If you are clear with this, then next program we will take. Any questions, friends?
What
Please
does that end equal to do, sir?
sir.
What does that end equal to null string do?
It is a Python code, sir. What is that end means? Generally, if you print something like so triple A, and if you print this triple B, and if you print this triple C, generally what will happen in the output? First triple A, in the next line triple B, in the next line triple C. Correct, sir?
Yes.
So if I take end is equal to empty, that means after printing triple A, don't go for next line, stay in the same line. So in the next line, if you are trying to print, I mean in the next print, if you are trying to print anything, it will be printed in the same sequence. Again here also, if you take end is equal to empty, so like this in a single line, it will print. If you
So
give space here, what will happen? Space will come.
space will come. Okay.
No need to give end is equal to empty for the last case. Why? Because after that, no statements are there, right? That's why.
So it will override the slash n character, default slash n character.
Exactly. Now tell me, what
Okay.
is the default value for end? Slash n.
Yes.
Understood, sir?
Yes. Sir. Thank you.
Sir, if it is list, same program will be working, or we need to have a different approach?
Sir, actually, it is only for print statement, sir. That's all. I mean, you are asking the reversing.
Yeah, reversing instead of string, if they give list in the interview, right? Because I remember one time I got a question like this.
If you list also, it will work. Why? Because list takes space, right?
Okay.
That's why it will.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Sir, now I don't want to print in reverse direction. I want in forward direction. So Python program, so to read a string and traverse the string in which direction? Forward direction. Sir, how you can able to write? First of all, what is the output that you are expecting? If input is Java, my output should be like this only. Sir, how you can write code for that? Very simple. Sir, convert this tail recursion to what? Non-tail. I think no explanation is needed for this. Correct? Now have a look once. I am going to run the program and I will give input as nothing but what? Apple. Same apple is coming. So if you want to just remove this, you will get some idea. Now you can see. So how to traverse the string in forward direction, how to traverse the string in reverse direction, you should know. My intention to cover these two small chota programs is, so whenever reverse concept came, then we have to use this recursion style. Do you know sometimes they are going to ask reverse a stack, reverse a queue, like that. In such a case, what you need to do? Better to go for a recursion. Stack is the best example for that particular concept. Anyway, stack data structure, queue data structure as there, right? There n number of applications I will cover, friends. Don't worry. Up to this, any questions?
Sir, so this we should remember, like if it is a string reversal, we should go for recursion. And also if it is from reverse side, it is tail recursion. And if it is from the forward side, it is a non-tail recursion. Like a mathematical formula, we have to keep this in mind. All right?
Yes, exactly, sir.
Okay, got it.
Friends, any queries? Please confirm. Any queries?
No, sir.
Right, good. Now the third program, a different genre program I will explain. So what is that here is, sir, write a Java program. Sorry, write a Python program to find nth Fibonacci number. Sir, what is this nth Fibonacci number? See, first of all, we know what is the Fibonacci number, right? Tell me what is the first number?
Zero.
What is the next digit? 1.
One.
Next,
One.
if you add these two numbers, you will get next digit. Tell me what is that?
1 plus 0, 1.
1. Next one?
1 plus 1, 2.
Very good. Next one?
2
3.
plus 1, 3.
5.
5.
Next one? 8. And so on. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, just for our convenient purpose, 0th Fibonacci number is 0. First Fibonacci number is 1. Second Fibonacci number, third Fibonacci number, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on. Like that we have. Sir, now listen carefully. If I am giving n is equal to 4, tell me what is the fourth Fibonacci number?
3.
3. That is my expected output. If n is equal to 6, tell me what is the sixth Fibonacci number?
8.
8. This is nothing but my input and output for the program. If you are clear, directly I will write the code. Any questions? Everyone, please confirm. Any questions?
This Fibonacci number is predefined, like.
Yeah, this sequence is predefined, madam. It is a kind of mathematical sequence.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, everyone clear? Sir, everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
So, right. So, next one. Observe carefully. We have to implement this program, friends. Sir, how to implement this program? I am defining a function. So by passing, let us take the function name as nothing but what? Fibonacci. So the parameter which I am passing is nothing but n. Sir, if the value, forget about the remaining things, directly I am writing FIB of n minus 1 plus FIB of n minus 2. Like this I am taking. So Fibonacci sequence of n minus 1 plus n minus 2, because we know the reason, right? Whenever you are giving any number, sum of its previous two numbers is nothing but what? Generated number. Am I right, friends? Please confirm. Everyone clear with the approach? Is the formula you got right?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, have you got the formula? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what I'm doing here is just I'm trying to print FIB of 5, or let me take FIB of 4. What is the expected output? 3. We need to get 3. Sir, how it is working? Let us traverse. But I will write base condition here itself. See, if n is equal to 0 or if n is equal to 1, I am returning n. Why? Because what is the 0th Fibonacci number? 0 only. First Fibonacci number 1 only. Remaining things only we need to calculate, right? That's why. Got it, friends? Please confirm. Sir, clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood the statements? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. So now what I will do is, let me take the diagram for you to better understand. I am calling Fibonacci sequence by passing 4. Sir, is 4 is equal to 0? No. Is 4 is equal to 1? No. Then it will be divided into two parts. What is the first part? Sir, Fibonacci of 4 minus 1, which is nothing but 3. Sir, 4 minus 2, which is nothing but 2, like that we have. Now, this f of 3 is also again divided into two parts. This f of 2 is also divided into two parts. Sir, f of 3 means what? 3 minus 1, which is nothing but 2. Sir, 3 minus 2, which is nothing but 1. And this f of 2 is divided into two parts. Sir, 2 minus 1, 1. Sir, 2 minus 2, 0. Like that we have. Now this f of 2 is also again divided into 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Sir, why you are again not expanding? Why you are stopping with 0 and 1? Because you have a clear clarity, right? That's why. Sir, everyone got the point? Please confirm. Yes. Clear, everyone? Is the diagram is clear? Then how that value is coming, I will show you. Any queries?
Yes, sir.
Sir, now my direct question for everyone. See, when n is equal to, I am changing the color. When f of 1, which value it will return, sir? When n is equal to 1, which value it will return? Come on.
1.
When n is equal to 0, 0. These two will be added and it is returning for f of 2. Correct, sir? And f of 1 means 1. 1 plus 1, it is going to return 2. Sir, here it will return 1. So here it will return 0. 0 plus 1, it is going to return 1. Sir, 2 plus 1. Sir, what is the output? You will get 3. Is it our expected output or not? Yes, friends. Sir, everyone got the point in the diagram? How it is traversing, how it is coming? Everyone clear? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any queries? Please confirm, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let us run the program and check really is the expected output is coming or not. Now see, is it correct? Yes. Sir, I don't want like this. Can you please generate the total sequence? No problem. If you want, you can generate. How to generate? For each I in the range of 0 to 11. So print of FIB of I, comma, end is equal to something like a space. Sir, what will happen? It is going to generate 0 to 10 Fibonacci sequence. Are you getting 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 like that? So everyone understood how to calculate nth Fibonacci number. So by using this recursion. Friends, do you have any queries up to this whatever I covered? Please confirm. Everyone? Sir, please confirm, everyone clear up to this?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Come on, speak so that we will
Yes,
start.
sir.
Right. Sir, like this, there is one more sequence is there, friends. Okay. So what is that sequence here is, sir, Fibonacci sequence. What is that sequence name? Fibonacci sequence. Sir, what is Fibonacci sequence? See, first three numbers are 0, 1, 2. How to get third number? By adding previous three numbers. 0 plus 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. Sir, 6 plus 3, 9, 11, 12. What is the next number? 12, 12, correct? 6 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. 11, right? Sorry, 11.
11.
Now, what is the next number? 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 3, 20. Correct, sir? Am I right, friends?
Yes, sir.
Like we have to generate. So this is nothing but what? Fibonacci sequence. Okay. Now observe carefully. Yeah. What modification you need to do in this program? Sir, in the place of fib, I am taking trib. Other than this, tell me, is there any modification that we need to do? Guide me, friends.
N-3, trib of N-3 we have to add.
Very good. Trib of n-1, trib of n-2, trib of n-3. Base condition also we have to update, right? What is the base condition? N is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1, return n. Or n is equal to 2 also we have to return n. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now I am running the code. Please check whether it is giving the correct sequence or not. Can you please cross check? Is it correct sequence of Fibonacci sequence? Everyone, please cross check and respond. Is it coming?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Right. So this is nothing but what we have. That's all, friends. This is about today's topic. Remaining things we will continue tomorrow. Sir, tomorrow is the last demo session. Tomorrow is the last demo session. From Monday, I'm going to merge. Okay. And let me repeat, the course is DSA with Python. Prerequisite is Python. Fees for this batch is 3,000. You will get live classes plus running notes and even the recordings. These recordings will be available for 6 months. Okay. And the timings of the session is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So on weekdays, not on weekends, but sometimes I will take weekends also. Okay. Yeah. Sir, now if you are having any queries, please let me know.
So if
Sir,
I'm not
Monday.
attending, session, right? Sorry. If I'm not attending a session, still can I view the recordings, or I want to be present in the session to attend get
Suppose
the
if
recording?
you are missing any, no problem, you can go through that recording. Even if you are unable to attend live classes also, you can go through the recording. Whenever you have a doubt, just note it down. And when you are coming to the live classes, you can ask at the end of the session. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Record uploaded on the same day. Yeah, maximum on the same day they will upload. Yes, any other?
Sir, may I know which class is today's class?
Sir, DSA with Java.
How many classes completed, sir? I mean,
Yesterday only the first class. Today is the second class. Tomorrow third class. After that, from Monday onwards, regular class will be there.
okay. Is it 7 to 8 or 8 to 9, sir?
Demos will be there from 7 to 8, sir. But regular classes from Monday onwards, it will be from 8 to 9.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, DFS, BFS will be covered. I told already, right? Syllabus also I shared, right? In the first session. DFS, BFS, graph, everything will be there. Okay.
Sir, we will be merged with an existing batch, right? But that batch has already started, right? So will we be?
For whatever topics I covered for them, I'm going to take care of for you. So I started recursion for them. I covered some 6 to 7 applications. So today, how many applications we covered? So we covered 4 applications. Another 2 or 3 applications, if I cover, then syllabus is matched. Got it, sir?
Okay.
Yeah,
So
tomorrow that will be completed. From
Okay.
Monday onwards, both batches, that is 7 to 8, 8 to 9, both batches will be merged from 8 to 9 with a common content.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you.
Any other queries?
Sir, like from Monday, there is no introduction. From introduction, we are not starting. We are starting somewhere from the section.
Actually, we will complete this recursion, sir. So actually, my plan is something different, but let me reveal now. Next week, completely, we are going to finish this recursion, and the continuation of the recursion backtracking is there. So next week, from Monday to Friday, we are going to finish this. Okay, sir?
Okay, sir.
Next Saturday, I'm going to take the session where I'm going to give introduction to the data structures and algorithms. It is a completely theory part. So
Mhm.
even if not attending also, just by watching the video, you will get the knowledge. So because there won't be any programs like stack means what operations we will do on stack, linked list means what, like definitions I'm going to cover.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Like that it will be there, sir. See,
Yeah.
first topics you can expect only on weekends, sir. First
First
5,
of all, okay. Mhm.
because those are already known to you, right?
Yes, sir. You're right. Yeah, you're right.
We need to focus more. That will be in the regular classes. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah, someone is asking the class link. See, class link they are going to share. Tomorrow is the last demo session, right? So after that, they are going to share the link. Probably you will get the link on Sunday, sir. Both running notes, a separate link, videos, a separate link, and this Zoom class link also you will get on Sunday morning. From Monday onwards, you have to attend by using that Zoom link. Okay. Yeah. Sir, tell me how many people are interested to continue. Anyway, tomorrow is also demo is there, but please let me know in the chat window. Last question. Yeah, no problem. Recursion, backtracking, DP. Yeah. First recursion, then backtracking. DP, I will take a separate topic. Okay. It is also a part of recursion. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Sir, how many people are willing? Just let me know to continue. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Yeah, very good. Very good. So right, sir, thank you. Anyway, tomorrow also demo will be there after that. So we will continue. Okay, friends. Yeah, thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.